Hello guys, my name is Eric and today we are gonna do this simple drawing, so let's do this. Okay, so we are gonna need two circles of radius 27.5 and radius 45. So type C for circle command, click here, type 27.5, hit enter to repeat last command, click here, type 45. Now we are gonna need this line, which is this is 90, minus 30 is 60. So from this to this it is 60-degree angle. But also we need that line to be 60 length. So choose a line, click here, type 60, tab and 60. Now we have this line. Now we are gonna do these two circles of radius of 10 and 18. So choose a circle, click here, type 10, hit enter to repeat last command, click here, type 18. Now we are gonna do this fillet of radius of 5. Type fillet, click on this radius, type 5, click on this circle and this. Now we need to offset this line for the final thickness of 8, so it is 4 from to each side. So choose offset, type 4 and just offset these lines. Now we can trim them. Okay, now we are gonna mirror these circles. So choose the circles, also this fillet, choose a mirror, click here and click here. You don't want to erase object, source object. Now we are gonna do this fillet of radius of 17. So choose a fillet, radius, type 17, click on this circle and on this circle. Okay, now we can mirror these two circles with these fillets. And we can mirror it to the other side, to the no, okay. Oh wait, we must trim this and also these lines. Okay, and now we need to polar array these two lines. So choose these two lines, click here and choose a polar array and click on the center of the circle. When you don't have these 6 items here, you can just click here and just type 6. And that's it. Don't forget to save it wherever you want or hit Ctrl+S and you got it. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye.